Begin with a health crisis that has sent several children to the hospital in Orange County.
All of those children had dental work at the same clinic in Anaheim.
And CBS 2 Orange County reporter Michele Gile spoke with worried parents and the people trying to figure out what's making those children sick.
An unusual outbreak has sent 7 young patients, including this 3-year-old, to Children's Hospital of Orange County.
I'm scared. I'm scared because like I said, I see him and he's crying and he's going through this and it's unnecessary.
Tonight, we have confirmed through the health department that all of the sick kids had been treated at the same Anaheim dental clinic. An advisory from the county says the children have contracted what is believed to be a bacterial infection after having a procedure which is similar to a root canal done at Children's Dental Group. Now they are battling a concerning illness, some with abscesses in their mouth and neck, which have required surgery, like Christian Garcia's little boy.
Yeah, it's like overnight when I was right here, actually the person who's sharing the same room as us, his son is as well here for the same reason. And across the hall, there's another person. The room next door, there's another person. So it's like you would think they would try to do something.
The Orange County Healthcare Agency has launched an investigation in an attempt to find the source of what is making patients sick at Children's Dental Group in Anaheim. A guard stood at the clinic's doors when we arrived today. Officials say they are now trying to contact the 500 children who may have been exposed to the same bacteria since May.
It isn't usually an issue of a person, it is an issue of an environmental source, either instruments or water source. And that's really what we're trying to identify, and we have gone out to the facility multiple times. We've taken cultures of samples.
We asked the CEO of Children's Dental Group what might be the cause of the problem.
I understand you want to talk about this, and I want to be helpful. I'll assure you once again that we are doing everything, whether it's sterilization or anything else that relates to taking care of the patients. We are on it.
As of last week, Children's Dental agreed to stop doing the procedure. In Orange, Michele Gile, CBS 2 News.